Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're testing out a product that promises to elevate your makeup routine with an airbrush finish. TEMPTU's Perfect Canvas Airbrush Blush in the shade Jasper is a liquid blush designed for those who want a luminous, natural look with buildable coverage. If you're a fan of long wear, highly pigmented makeup, this might be just what you're looking for. So let's dive right in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the product itself. The TEMPTU Perfect Canvas Airbrush Blush comes in a 1 FL bottle, and it's available in multiple shades, with Jasper being one of the more universally flattering options. This blush is specifically designed for fair to medium skin tones, but honestly, the color can work across a variety of complexions due to its buildable nature. It's a liquid formula that gives you a soft, natural flush of color, and the texture is smooth, almost like a gel, making it easy to blend. The best part? It's designed to deliver a luminous, healthy glow. No more powdery or chalky blush, this one's all about that dewy airbrush finish. The pigmentation is impressive but not overly intense, so it won't leave you looking like you overdid it. You can build it up for a more dramatic effect, or keep it light for just a hint of color. And the long wear factor is definitely something to appreciate here. It stayed put for hours without fading, which is a big win in my book. Now let's talk about how this blush actually performs in real life. I've tried it on multiple occasions, both for casual daytime looks and more dressed up evening events. The application is smooth, and I love how easily it blends into the skin. Whether I applied it with my fingers, a brush, or a sponge, it worked beautifully, giving me that radiant, just pinched glow. The liquid texture made it easy to layer, and I could control the intensity of the color, which is perfect if you're aiming for that flawless, customizable flush. That being said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, while the formula is great for most skin types, those with very oily skin might need to set it with a light powder, especially if you're heading out for a long day. I found that after several hours, a tiny bit of oil started peeking through, though the blush still looked fresh and vibrant. Another point to mention is that the color may look slightly different once it dries down compared to the initial application. It becomes more subtle and blends seamlessly into the skin, which is a plus for a natural finish. If you're someone who loves more intense, punchy blush shades, this might feel a bit too subtle for your taste at first. However, you can definitely layer it for more depth. Now, as far as value for money goes, at this price point, TEMPTU is offering a high-quality blush with impressive performance. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but when you consider the long wear, buildable coverage, and radiant finish, I do think it's worth the investment for anyone looking for a reliable liquid blush that delivers a flawless, airbrushed look. Plus, with only 1 fell odds in the bottle, a little goes a long way, so it should last quite a while. When comparing it to other liquid blushes out there, TEMPTU's Perfect Canvas Airbrush Blush stands out with its long wear formula and its airbrush-like finish. Some other brands may offer similar coverage, but the added radiance and blendability of this one are top-notch. The packaging is sleek and functional, with a nozzle that dispenses just the right amount of product. No mess, no waste. Plus, the bottle is compact enough to throw in your makeup bag for on-the-go use, which is always a win. As for longevity, the blush holds up well throughout the day, and I didn't experience any major issues with fading or unevenness. In terms of customer service, I didn't have to interact with TEMPTU's support, but the brand is known for being responsive and helpful with any inquiries. So if you do run into any issues, rest assured they'll likely be quick to assist. Now, if you're someone on a budget, there are other liquid blush options that might be a bit more affordable, though they might not deliver the same level of radiance and wearability. If you're willing to spend a little extra for that airbrush quality finish, TEMPTU is definitely worth considering. To sum up, TEMPTU's Perfect Canvas Airbrush Blush in Jasper is a solid choice for those seeking a long-lasting, luminous blush that looks natural and buildable. It's great for those with fair to medium skin tones, though I'd recommend trying it on different skin tones to see how it performs. It's perfect for anyone looking for a fresh, dewy glow that stays put throughout the day. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. Your support helps us continue bringing you more content like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.